Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be seeing about Hello app. This is a new app which I discovered a few days ago, where you can actually earn money by just viewing these posts and also sharing this app invite link to your friends. So I have created a new profile, and this is completely new. I'm just showing you in the perspective of a new user. So how you can earn money in this app is what is your question is. Now I'll be showing you that, and click on to the earn icon on top and you'll be redirected to this page. You can either earn by inviting your friends, or you can earn money by reading the dashboard, the page where we saw all posts for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes and 1 minute. I have already read 1 minute. I'll be showing you the other one also. I'll be reading the post for 3 minutes, or even 20 minutes. I'll be reading it and I'll be showing you whether I am getting points or not. All the points will be turned into cash by 3 a.m. So I'll also show you a screenshot on whether my coins have turned into cash or not, and I'll also show you withdrawal. See, I have done all the tasks now. I have completed it, but I have invite links which I'm not ready to actually share with my friends now. In this app you can get verified profiles, and you have many more advantages. More people are using this app as far as I know, so you could actually try upon this one. Before showing my withdrawal, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. And that being said, I'll be showing you whether it changed or not. So you have to invite it through WhatsApp if you want. You'll be getting 250 rupees for the first invite, and that is the notification icon where you will be getting inbox messages, and here you will be getting a lot more about the groups, and Star Zone is where famous personalities and celebrities will be there. And if you want, you can create your own group. I'm not going to create any group and all. As far as the review, you cannot earn a living from this app. You can just get some 25 to, like, it depends on how much time you spent on this app. You will be getting around 250 to 300 bucks. That's it. So per month you will be getting that much if you are average user of this app. And other than that, I don't think you will be earning a living that you can actually quit and alternate this one as your 9 to 5 job. So I don't think that will work. You can just get some 350 bucks per month. So if you have any comments and if you have any doubts, please leave your questions in the comments below. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you want to join, you can also use my referral link if you want. I'll leave it in the description. There is no compulsion. If you want, you can join with that link. You will be getting some, I think you'll get some coins, or 50 rupees or 250 rupees starting amount, something like that. I don't know. Check up in the description box, and I'll show you my wallet information now. So now, as you can see, this is my payment proof. I can withdraw. You can start withdrawing money to your Paytm account from 3 rupees. So I think this is the best option to get a very little amount of money. Something is better than nothing, right? So we'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.